Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Today is day one of some vacation time I got. So we are going to be working in the shop, trying to get some spray foam application in the situation. Now, if y'all noticed, normally I wear an Ole Miss hat, but gotta support my local home state, Indiana University. They're number 8 in the college football rankings right now. But anyway, guys, y'all watch it, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know at bleep bloop down below what y'all think of the spray foam that we're going to be trying to use. And hey, a lot of y'all that don't watch really aren't subscribed. Doesn't cost you nothing, doesn't do anything. So y'all hang out, enjoy a day in the shop. Here we go, and away we go. Hey, Ma! Day-Day's in the shop again. Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whichever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Today we are doing some spray foam insulation. So we've got this kit here. Actually, I'm gonna move all this stuff down. I did a little short on it last week. This is called Kraken Bond. I want to keep saying Kraken board. I don't know why, but Kraken Bond. What it is, it's closed foam, spray foam insulation. That right there. We have a metal shop. It's not insulated, so in the wintertime, which it's getting to, it's fall right now. Doesn't feel like it. I'm in shorts and a cutoff, just for the simple fact that it's kind of warm out. We had a nice cool break about 2 weeks ago, and now it's back to hot. But we do live in the South. What we're going to do today, we're trying out 2 different versions foams. Can't live with them, can't live without them. Anyway, we're trying out 2 different types of foam. We did a little bit of spray last week. I can do better. I got to get some, like I said in my last video, I got to get some spray application in the situation. I did some last week and it works. It's not as good, but I really didn't know how to spray it. I kind of got an idea how we need to spray it now. So we've got to do some moving around, and we've got to do some wire hiding and wire stuff to hold the wires flat against the wall so we can spray over the wires. It's Romex, so it's not going to hurt anything if it's covered up in spray foam. But I just want to show y'all Kraken Bond spray foam insulation. This kit right here came with 12 cans. Came with a nice little spray gun. It's got 2 tips on here, A and B. A is for vertical, B is for sealing. We're gonna see how far this goes. I've already done my exterior doors, the big doors coming into the shop. I used 3 cans on those. That is a 12 by 12. I think it's a 12 by 12 door. Yeah, 12 by 12. It's my big door coming into the shop. And right next to it, I've got some other walls around it that are metal. And we're going to see how far this goes. I also bought some spray foam insulation from Lowe's that are not these cans. These aren't little cans. This supposedly does 20 board foot. It says 5.66 per inch and thermal insulation with an R value of 0.25. So I'm tired of working in the shop when it's cold out, so I bought this off eBay. It's right at $275. It might have gone up, you know how inflation is. It might have gone up, it might have gone down. I haven't looked at it. I bought it a while back, but I just haven't had time to do it. Well, now that winter's coming on, I want to get it done just so we can have a warmer shop in the wintertime. But anyway, guys, hang out. We're going to do some moving around. We gotta do some stuff before we can actually do this spray foam. So y'all stick with us. We'll catch y'all in a little while. All right, so as you can see, we've got this cleaned up, we got it moved away, and we're ready to start spraying. So we're gonna get y'all situated and set up, and we're gonna start spraying this stuff. If y'all notice, we have a hole in there. We're gonna patch it with some silver tape. Pardon the train going by, but that's just part of living next to the railroad tracks. I'm blocking y'all's view, aren't I? See if y'all can see now. That'll just block the hole to where no spray foam will go through it. So we're gonna load the gun up and get to going. All right, so how this works, we have the cleaner, and you also have these cans. You need to shake them for about 30 seconds. Actually, hold on, we're gonna grab something. Of course, y'all know it. Battery's dead. Holy crap. That should be 30 seconds worth of paint shaking. All right, so then what you do, you rip this off. These are your gloves and your tips. So we don't need the gloves, but what we are going to use, there's the tip right there, you can see that. Then you have an A and a B tip. B tip is for spraying the ceiling. So we're going to use an A tip. And all you got to do is take the A-tip and push on and turn. And that is for vertical. You can turn it this way to go horizontal. But for vertical walls, we need to use the A-tip. Now that you've got your can that you have shaken up, all you do is screw it on. And you are good to go. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna put some PPE on, and we're gonna spray. So, we have our PPE on, just to keep it out of our eyes and our face. Okay, see how simple that was? But that was one can. So now it's gonna foam out. Let's go get another can and we're gonna do the top. All right, that's that wall. We're gonna move over here and do the middle now. All right, there's what we got done. And that's just, we still have one can left of the Kraken bond. I'm running my cleaner through it. Yeah, we're going to check it out, see how it does. All right, we're going to take a pause. Well, that was just lovely. Y'all took a spill. We're going to take a pause for the cause. We'll be right back shortly. See ya. All right, guys. So we have gone through 11 bottles or 11 cans of the Kraken Bond spray foam, and we have got a pretty good bit done. Of course, we did that door. We got this side done. Probably need to go over some thin spots. This one's got some thin spots I need to finish up, and that's probably what I'm going to do with that last can that I got. But we got a pretty good bit done. We're going to see if it actually insulates the shop pretty well. I mean, you can see, look all that I got to do. $275 worth? I don't know. We still have, let me walk you over here. I've got this spray foam going right here, which is an APC or APEC. And this does 300 board feet, which I think might do most of that wall. I'm not 100% sure. But hey guys, comment, like, subscribe down below. I'm just trying to get some heat going in here for the winter time coming up. Comes off the steel pretty well. Yeah. Tell you what we're going to do. We have a heat gun. $76 degrees on the ceiling. 75 degrees on the foam. I know the sun hasn't hit it yet. But there is a difference in the temperature. So we're gonna let this go. It's gonna cure. I'm gonna go over this thin stuff and spray the rest of this out. I'm gonna move some more stuff. I didn't actually think we're gonna get this far. But hey guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Just do it. Burpity burp. Sorry about that. So comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Just do it. Worry about it later. We'll see y'all after a while.